Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jacobus, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include York, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire, West York, Shrewsbury, Cadorus, Grantley and Tyler Run and Queens Gate. This includes Interstate 83 for mile markers 4 to 22. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: York, Pennsylvania.